Hi everyone, it's Chisomobona with yet another interesting tutorial video. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn to create this on Pixellab. Okay, so I created everything on Pixellab and I'm going to walk you through the process from start to finish. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first things first, you have to clear the background. We have nothing here. Okay, so of course we are using the default size. Okay, so on Pixellab, especially for newbies, if you want to effect change on the size of your canvas is just the area you or the composition you design in on the the composition you design in, okay, or the area provided for you to design. Okay, so here is where you effect change. So if you want to maybe something more rectangular, okay, so you can use 1080 by 1350. That's the size you can use. This is usually for Instagram posts. Okay, but for the sake of this class we are going to use 3000 by 3000. Okay, still square, 3000 by 3000. Okay, so I just did this because I wanted to kind of increase the quality a bit. All right, so you go to color, you change to any color of your choice. We won't really be making use of the color, so that's why I changed it to any color. So the background we are going to be using is not this one, actually not this one. So let's take it out. Then I'll send us the resources. It's in the description of this video. Okay, the resources are in the description of this video. All right, so just check the description for the resources. This background I'm gonna be using. Okay, so first things first, you just increase the what's it called, the size of the background. This is the background we're using, and then you come here. We are going to rotate it. You come here and use 3D rotate to rotate it. The y-axis, that's where you rotate. I don't know if you get, so just rotate the y-axis like so. Just make it 180 degrees. All right, so you lock it. All right, when you lock it, let's go back and import the design so we can follow the whole process, you know. So this is where I have the design, and then this is what it looks like. So first things first, we edit the background. Okay, the background is not really looking good enough. Okay, so we are going to effect some changes in the background. So just come to color filter, you reduce the brightness like so, and then increase the contrast, okay, to look like this. All right, so when you do this, the next thing you do is to write your award dinner night. Okay, that's the first, I think that was the first thing I wrote when I started up the design. Okay, award dinner night, award dinner night. All right, so just write it. So we have something like this. Okay, I don't know if you saw what I did. Okay, this is what I did. Okay, so it should be like this. Then you come to line spacing here and reduce the line spacing like so to probably 17. Okay, then the font we are going to use is called Lovera. Please, if you've not watched my video on how to install fonts, okay, check my YouTube channel. There is a video there that will explain how you can download and install fonts on Pixellab. So this is the font we are going to be making use of this night. Okay, so then you come over to line spacing here, still increase it or decrease it rather. Okay, so we have something like this. Then you come to align, you align it to the center. All right, I'm so sorry for the noise in the background, right? Okay, so you do it like so. 49 is okay. Then you come to this color here, you change only the color of the night here, you change it to red. All right, this red is okay, but let's just touch the red a bit. This is the color code for the red, FF3A2B. FF3A2B, that's the color code. Okay, then the next thing is to create some shapes. This shape, okay, we're actually gonna create two shapes. Okay, so where we have the red carpet and, you know, the dinner what, I can't remember exactly what they wrote there. Okay, but so first things, you have to, first of all, you have to decrease the opacity of this. Okay, you have to decrease the opacity of this. I want the background to slightly show, so that's why I'm decreasing the opacity. Okay, when you do that, when you've achieved that, you go ahead and bring in a text. All right, so here we are going to use a red color for this text. So we are going to use this red color, and then we come here and write red carpet. Red carpet by what time? Red carpet is by 3:30. Okay, 3:30 p.m. Red carpet, 3:30 p.m. All right, so you just reduce the font, okay, and then come here and use Montserrat. If you don't have Montserrat font, you can download Montserrat font. Okay, I'll also link, or in the description you'll find a link to download Montserrat. Okay, for those of us that don't have Montserrat, in the description you'll find the link to download Montserrat. Okay, so this is ref instead of red. Alright, so let's change that. Alright, so we have something like this. Then you copy it, you come down here, we have dinner kick. Okay, dinner kicks off. I think that was what they were trying to write there, or what I was trying to write there. Okay, so dinner kick. So I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, dinner kick is by 4 p.m. Okay, so you okay it. When you've written that, you okay it, then you reduce the size. All right, then you bring it here. All right, so like so. All right, so let's take them close to one another. They are far from each other. Okay, so we have something like this. I think we still need to reduce the line spacing of this. Okay, we need to reduce that, and then we kind of increase the size of this. Okay, when you do that, you come here and write. Okay, instead of coming here, just copy this text. When you copy this text, you change the color to white. It should be plain white. Okay, then you write the name of the brand. So let's assume the name is now Design Hack Lodge Party. Design Hack Lodge Party. Okay, that's a weird name, but well, we are using it. Okay, so let's use Montserrat bold this time around. Montserrat bold. Okay, then you leave it here. Then you decrease the line spacing. Design Hack Lodge Party. That's our lodge party, our dinner night party. Okay, when you do that, you come here, copy this text again, and then reduce the size well enough. Then write present. All right, so you come here, instead of increasing the size this time around, let's change the color to yellow, to a yellow color, a default yellow color, which is this one. Oh, it's not showing this one. Okay, let's use this one instead. It's not really showing. So you come to spacing here, the letter spacing, you space them out like so. Okay, then you come here and leave them here, and leave it here rather. Okay, something like this. All right. If you cannot adjust it this way, you can just use your position here, reduce this move by, okay, and then slightly adjust it to your fit in. Okay, so when you have this, you come here. This should be the address now. Okay, so this is the address. Okay, come here and write dinner lodge. Now dinner. Okay, let's write park here. Design Hack Lodge Park. Oh boy, that's weird. Okay, Design Hack Lodge, situated by graphic design community. Okay, Maza bus stop. What am I writing? Bus stop, Lagos. Okay, yeah, something like that. But this time around, we're going to change the font back to medium, Montserrat medium. Okay, Montserrat medium. Then you come to line spacing here and adjust this a bit. Okay, so you just leave out. See, I'm going to be working with this now. Grid helps you to align your work well. Okay, this grid. So because of this, because I want to align my work well, I'm going to be using this grid. But you don't necessarily need to on it if you think you can. Okay, because of for the sake of the newbies, those that are not used to using Pixellab, I'm going to just leave it this way and manually use my hand to align everything well. Okay, so we won't be missing out. Okay, or we won't miss out. All right, so let's go to download. I have my location icon here. So you erase the background and adjust it like so. Okay, sorry. So when you adjust it, you saw what I did. You saw what I did, right? So I wanted to remove the background. I clicked on erase color, and then when I clicked on it, it immediately erased the white color. Okay, so it immediately erased the white color. I'll come here and change the color to yellow. Okay, it should be yellow. All right, so you have something like this, right? Yeah, your design is ready. Okay, you've gotten the whole layout and everything. You are done with your design. So we just need to spice it up, add some lightning effect. Okay, so which I will do here. When you click on sticker, you see this light here that appears immediately, but if you okay it from here, the light disappears, you see. So if you want to make use of the light, you do what? You click on the sticker and then click on your background. Okay, you click on the, let me do that again. You click on the sticker and you click on your background. When you click on your background, you can just then adjust it like so, okay, to your fitting anyway. So let me adjust it. Then you see what I did? I just copied it 3 times. Then I'll come here and merge everything. Okay, when I merge everything, okay, did you see how I merged everything? Let me do that again. So you come here, you click here, and then click here, here, and here. Select those 3 layers. Okay, and then you click on merge here. This is merge. This is merge here. You click on merge. It merges everything. So you have to just wait for some second. Okay, it has merged everything. Then I'll come here and add a color, and I'm gonna be using this particular color here. Okay, so just do it like so. All right, do it like so. Then let's know if you can kind of add to the brightness or the contrast. Then we can, try and effect some changes here. Okay, it seems nothing is happening. Okay, so instead of, okay, let's just leave it like this. Okay, since we already have the actual color we want to use. All right, but the colors are supposed to be changing. What's happening to Pixellab? Okay, the colors are meant to be changing, but let's not waste time on that. Okay, let's proceed. So when you have this, you go back to import. I'm going to send us all the resources as promised. You come back here, you pick this lightning effect here. Okay, this is more like a flare effect. A flare is called a flare effect. Okay, then you leave it here like so. Okay, leave it here like so. Okay, it seems like a light rays are coming from this end. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, then you slightly reduce the opacity, then you drag it backwards. All right, so it will look yellow. All right, so when you do that, I think the design is ready. But one more thing, we need to add something on top. Okay, we need to add something on top of the design. Okay, just to kind of make you have this party feel. All right, so currently looking for the thing I want to. Okay, this is it here. Okay, so since Pixellab doesn't really have blending effect, I'm just gonna use it like that and reduce the opacity, right? So like so. All right, you can do something like this. I'm gonna leave it at 15 is okay. Then you can go ahead and save up your work. This is how to save on Pixellab. So just click on this save icon, save image. Then instead of custom, you use ultra dimension. Okay, then you render the image. Okay, the image is rendering now, and then it saves. Okay, real simple. Now I'd like we also download what's it called? It's called Snapseed. Please download it on Play Store. Okay, Snapseed helps you to it helps you to brighten up your design or to spice up your design. But then I don't want us to use this because a lot of person will misuse it. So please, if you are using it, follow exactly what I'm doing. Very important, follow exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so when you click on it, you tap here, you click on the design. This is the design. Then this is how it appears. This is how everything appears at first. Then you click on pop here, you click on pop. So when you click on pop, you okay it. Then you click on tools. Okay, when you click on tools, you come to white balance here. Add this white balance. Temperature is just temperature. Add it a bit. Plus 10 shouldn't be much. Plus 10 is okay. When you do that, you okay it. You come back to tools. You go to details here. Then you okay. If you want to, there are two options here. If you click here, you see 2 options. So just slide. Did you see what I did? Just slide up, and then it changes to sharpening. You want to sharpen it. Okay, sharpen it to 100%, right? Then you come down to structure. Then structure, please reduce the structure. Yeah, like so. Okay, reduce the structure like so. Or reduce it to 100. Okay, just reduce it to 100. Or should we kind of add okay, let's add this. Okay, yeah, fine. So you go back to tools, then you come to your, see what I did, toon image. All right, then you come down to shadow, add shadow, just a bit, minus 19. Please follow everything I'm doing. Okay, ambience, add it a bit, 12. All right, warmth, add this a bit, 18. All right, and then your design is ready. You can then export. Okay, this application helps you to sharpen your image to have this photoshopic feel. All right, so another thing you can do is to on Pixellab here, we were supposed to add a shadow to this particular award night. Okay, we are supposed to add a shadow, so I'm going to just add a shadow here. You can do it before you export, please. You can do this before you export your design. Then this shadow that I've added, blur radius, I'm going to reduce it, and this one, opacity, I'm going to reduce it too, but it's not compulsory. Okay, it just helps your design have this depth in it, so you can decide to add it before you save off your work. Okay, so with that, we have our design ready. Our design is looking really cool and amazing. Okay, thank you for staying around. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to the resources, and also the link to the resources. Actually, I'm going to leave them there on the description. Check the description for link. Okay, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.